Hello, my dear students. Today, let us go for one more important topic, Nernst equation. See, we already know the SRP values, standard reduction potential of almost all electrodes, but we don't know what would be the reduction potential values if they are not in the standard condition. We only know the standard reduction potential value, but all the time all the solutions will not be at standard conditions, all the electrodes will not be at standard conditions. How to calculate the electrode potential of the electrodes which are not in standard conditions, or in other words, the calculation of different electrodes at any concentration, not necessarily 1 molar, but at any concentration. This can be done using a wonderful equation called Nernst equation. Nernst equation, we use it to the calculation of reduction potential. For an electrode reaction, this is a reaction. In this reaction, if I am talking about the reduction potential, then a metal ion has to take n number of electron and gets reduced to metal. Here, metal ion is the reactant. Upon reduction, it produces metal. For this reaction, the Nernst equation is given as, see, this is a reduction potential at any concentration. Let us assume the concentration of metal ion is some concentration C, and this is the standard reduction potential of that particular electrode. If I am assuming it as zinc, then it is the reduction potential of zinc electrode. Then it will be the reduction potential of standard zinc electrode, SRP value. Here we should have to substitute the SRP value. This is R, universal gas constant, and this is temperature in Kelvin. This is the number of electrons changing during the reaction, and this is farad. This is what called farad, and this is the ln of reduced state, concentration of a reactant or the concentration of metal at its reduced state to concentration of metal ion in its oxidized state. It is very simple. E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln of reduced state by oxidized state. We have another way of representing it, or E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF. So in order to convert that ln into log, 2.303. In order to convert ln into log, we should have to multiply by the term 2.303. 2.303 RT by NF log of the reduced state was M and the oxidized state was Mn plus. Or in other words, E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log of metal, concentration of metal to concentration of metal ion, or reduced state to oxidized state. Here, what are the values? E naught is the standard reduction potential of the electrode, and N is the number of electrons changing during the reaction. R is the universal gas constant, 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. F is Faraday. Its value is 96,487 coulomb. Or in other words, it is almost equal to, we just round it off to 96,500 coulomb. T is the temperature in Kelvin or absolute temperature. You should have to remember, here we have never used the temperature in degree Celsius. We should have to use the temperature in Kelvin. See, as we all know, the concentration of metal is always 1. This topic we have already done in the first PU. the concentration of metal, solid, concentration of a solid will be always considered to be 1. So that's why if m value is 1 for a pure solid, m equal to concentration of m is equal to 1, then what happens? E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF into log of 1 by Mn plus. Log of 1 by Mn plus. Why this is 1? Because concentration of pure metal at its solid state is 1. If you start substituting its values, what happens? At 298 Kelvin, so usually the ambient temperature is 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin, the formula can be deduced like this. We can solve it. 2.303 E is equal to E naught minus 2.303. R value is 8.314 and the temperature at 298 Kelvin, and the farad is 96,487 into N. As we are writing the general equation, the number of electron change from N plus to M will be in the N number of electron. So N into log of 1 by Mn plus. 1 by Mn plus. If I substitute and solve all of these values, I'll get E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log of 1 by Mn plus. This equation is, we call it as a Nernst equation for the calculation of reduction potential. However, we can even write E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log of 1 by Mn plus. That also can be written, or we can write here. There is a wonderful hint we can go for. There is a shortcut. This shortcut works very well when we go for quite advanced things in this formula. If we go for solving the problems, this will be very much come in handy. E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log Q, where Q stands for reaction quotient. That means product by reactant. We already seen this in equilibrium. Q, reaction quotient, stands for the concentration of products by reactants. We can substitute the log of 1 by Mn plus. We can take this also. This come in handy when we go for the little more thing with Nernst equation. That's for. Thank you for watching.